Water helps our garden plants grow, maintain, and reproduce. Our garden plants have different water requirements, especially during different growth stages. Watering plants is a balance of artistic intuition and scientific observation. In order to water productively, one must spend time in their garden observing the sunlight, temperature, and soil conditions. After time, the decisions involved in the watering process are made swiftly and with reason. Care needs to be taken in order to ensure that we are giving plants water when they need it. We want to avoid watering too little and too much. In order to accomplish this, we look to the soil. The majority of our edible garden plants, including the most common ones, require moist soil in order to thrive. Moist soil allows plants to conduct important physiological functions while maintaining an environment conducive to healthy roots. In order to test soil moisture, we can use a soil moisture meter or use our hands to feel the soil. Moisture meters help maneuver tight spaces in pots and limit disturbance, and using our hands allow us to get to know our soil and the subterranean world more intimately. Reaching into the soil with a trowel or your hand, grab a handful of soil and squeeze it inside your palm. If the soil is adequately moist, it will form an impression of your palm and fingers, hold together on its own, and have the consistency of a wrung-out sponge. If this is true, the soil is moist, and we can wait to water. If the soil is dry and crumbles, it's time to water. Germinating seeds and young plants may require shallow, frequent irrigation, while established plants prefer deep watering because their root system is extensive. Water these plants less often and spend more time to ensure the water saturates deep into the soil. When watering, use a wand or watering can that forces the water to fall softly on the ground to prevent runoff, and avoid watering the foliage to prevent fungal problems. Remember to water according to the size of the plants and move back and forth slowly to ensure saturation without runoff. Spend time in your garden, familiarize yourself with the plants, the soil type, and other environmental factors so that you can make watering decisions that will help your plants prosper.